Hi, welcome. This is the unboxing of UMIDIGI S2 Pro. This is the box. Okay. So this is UMIDIGI S2 Pro. It comes with Helio P25 Cortex A53 2.5 GHz. This is running under Android 7.0. RAM is 6GB and storage is 128GB, expandable to 256GB. So you can put 2 nano SIM card or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD. Okay. Inside the box, so it says here, link to the world. So the box, basically this is the phone. We have the phone. And the phone comes with a case. This is a rubber case actually. I got the black color, and we have this SIM card ejector and the manual, and the box is broken actually, so sorry for that. And we have here the USB cable and the charger. This is the charger. Okay. And this is the USB cable and adapter for the headset. It's a nice one. It's a red one, so it's more cool if this is also black, so it will match my phone. But they have also red color of this phone, so basically, but it's nice. So what we have here is the audio jack, which is connected to Type-C USB cable and Type-C cable. And we have the phone. We have the cover. We have the manual and SIM ejector. This is all inside this box. So for my review of this phone, I'll use this for 2 days and I'll let you know what's inside this phone, what are the pros and cons, and I'll let you know. Thank you.